It's a girl. Well, Colty, you got a girl. Alright, well, we just blew up the Tannerite and the chalk. So I used 4 pounds of red line marking chalk, and then with the 4 pounds of red, used about 23 pounds or so of white. And I couldn't find white chalk, so what I had to use was I ended up using plaster of Paris. So 25 pounds of plaster of Paris and 5 pounds red chalk ended up pretty good. I wonder if the permanent red would get a little brighter pink. It was a little kind of a mellow pink, so maybe that would be a little better. But turned out good. Now we just gotta head back home and get the little guy back to me. So this is the red chalk I use. This red Keystone marking chalk, and I originally just bought 4 pounds of plaster of Paris. But as you can see down here, went out and bought a 25 pound one. And this is only full to about here. So I think about 25 pounds plaster of Paris to 5 pounds red chalk would have been perfect.